Hello friends, welcome to my CourseReel AI Max review. With CourseReel AI Max, you can create and sell online courses without recording videos, writing content, or complex editing. You can create your course title, chapters, content per chapter, and turn it all into video courses ready to sell. CourseReel AI Max transforms your course creation process by using cutting-edge AI to handle the heavy lifting. Imagine turning your ideas into professional courses effortlessly without needing fancy equipment or technical skills. With CourseReel AI Max, you can create promo videos, quizzes, PDFs, and ebooks all at the click of a button. What is CourseReel AI Max? CourseReel AI Max lets you turn your free time into professional video courses, making it easy to break into the $25 billion e-learning industry. CourseReel AI Max recommends course topics and titles based on the niche or keyword you provide. It suggests multiple variations of chapters to cover in your course, generate content for each chapter, and create a video for every section. This includes images, slides, video clips, text, animations, transitions, and full customization options, all done on autopilot. Now let's see CourseReel AI Max 8 powerful new features. Promo videos to market your courses professionally. Quiz creation to engage your audience with interactive assessments. PDF generation to convert courses into easy to share formats. Ebook creation from slides to repurpose your content for wider reach. Landing page generator to design stunning pages that see all your courses. Sales copy creation to create compelling marketing messages. Custom voice integration to narrate courses in your own voice. Taking head feature to add lifelike avatars for more engaging videos. Now let's see key features of CourseReel AI Max. Create video courses. Create 50 courses. Create 5 videos per course. Create VSL for video courses. Promo video creation. Quiz creation. PDF generation. Ebook generation based on slides. Landing page generator. Sales copy creation. Customer voice integration. Talking head feature. AI course topic finder, AI course chapter creator, AI course content creator, create courses using voice recording, create courses by copy pasting script, create courses using AI research and content, create 50 videos per week, create HD videos 50-minute length, add video clips in your videos, create and sell your course. Full rights, no watermark. Commercial rights, sell your courses anywhere. Record your audio inside the app. Upload a video and use it audio to create new video. Upload your audio to create videos. Auto voiceover creation for videos. English, Spanish, French, Hindi support. Choose from millions of images. Choose from thousands of background music. Upload your videos to YouTube, upload your videos to Facebook, download your videos, publish your videos on any platform, dedicated support and regular updates 12 months, detailed training included, video plus PDF, 14 days money back guarantee, bonus training webinar. Now let's see, how does CourseReel AI Max work? Step 1. Log into your CourseReel AI Max dashboard and enter your niche or even just a keyword and watch the magic unfold. CourseReel AI Max will recommend you multiple course titles and topics based on a keyword or niche. Recommend you multiple topics or chapter ideas for your course topic. Will create content or script for each chapter that you can modify, add more to. Break down the script into sentences and convert them into multiple slides with text, background, images, animation, clips, sounds, voiceover, and more pre-added. Step 2. Customize your slide, format the text, add image or even add video clips anywhere using their easy to use Reel Engine video editor. Step 3. Add your logo or watermark automatically. Add voiceovers using text-to-speech technology and download your new videos courses. That's it. CourseReel AI Max is perfect for video marketers. Create video courses or video sales letter or simply turn your podcasts into videos with slides and increase your reach. Affiliate marketers. Convert your email or text review into a proper review video that you can launch Jack and rank on YouTube to make commissions. Local agency marketers. Start helping local business like restaurants or gyms by creating cooking lessons or working classes video courses for them and getting paid big. Newbie marketers. Quickly and easily create your first video course and start making money selling it on sites like Udemy. No need for complex video recording and editing know-hows. Bloggers and YouTubers. Turn your blog post into an educational video to share on your YouTube channel or LinkedIn, or repurpose your old YouTube video and create a fresh new video to publish and reach new audience. Coaches and consultants. Transform your coaching sessions or consulting expertise into structured video courses to expand your reach, team more clients and build passive income streams. Educators and teachers. Easily create engaging educational video lessons for your students, whether for online classes, supplemental materials, or entirely new courses. E-commerce sellers. Make product training videos or educational content related to your niche, showcasing your expertise while building trust and driving more sales. Pretty much every local business can benefit from CourseReel AI Max, and you can offer it to them when you sign up today. Now let's see CourseReel AI Max pricing and funnel details. Front end. CourseReel AI Max Premium price $67. Upsell 1. CourseReel AI Max Unlimited $97 per year. The unlimited upgrade supercharges the CourseReel AI Max app and unlocks everything unlimited, including access to unlimited AI course topic finder, unlimited AI course content creator, unlimited AI course chapter created, unlimited social channels, unlimited publishing and create full HD videos 30-minute length. It also unlocks access to 75 plus animation styles, 65 plus video transition styles, ability to share on Instagram and TikTok. Plus you get priority video rendering on request, account manager plus priority support and a special bonus, course website builder pro. Upsell 2. CourseReel AI Max Professional price $67. With CourseReel AI Max Professional, you unlock some really special and unique pro features, including features such as ability to remove CourseReel AI Max branding from all videos, one-click translation for videos, 100 plus languages, multilingual voiceovers, 20 languages, 50 new voiceover accents, trim reel video, shape feature, create convert YouTube shorts, create convert Instagram stories, create convert TikTok videos, create convert Facebook stories videos, and create convert Facebook reels videos. Upsell 3. CourseReel AI Max DFY price $197. With the CourseReel AI Max DFY upgrade, they take things one step further but doing everything for you. You get access to 100 plus ready-made high quality video courses in multiple niches with full rebranding rights, plus a custom setup of CourseReel AI Max app, custom 5 course created for them. They will do niche research, they will create the course videos, they will record everything. One-on-one email support plus training. They will create a video course from your recording and they will publish that course on Udemy. Upsell 4. CourseReel AI Max Business price $59. With the CourseReel AI Max Business, Users will get full business features including a custom done for a professional looking YouTube business website with custom checkout. They also get the team and virtual assistant access, clients access, DeFi client contract templates, business finder feature and 100 plus Facebook ad templates. Purchase CourseReel AI Max below the link in this video description to get my extra bonuses. My extra bonuses will send your JVzoo's purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. Thank you for watching. Now watch the demo video.
Welcome to CourseReel AI Max. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how you can create a course, create promotional videos, create quizzes, landing page, and everything you need to create, sell, promote, and profit from course, all using AI and just a single keyword. First thing you want to do is, once you're in the dashboard, click on Create Courses button here and give your course a name. Let's call it AI Course. And here you can pick your country and language if you want to localize the course for a certain country. Now you put in a keyword. Let's go for AI automation for small businesses and click on search topic. Now AI is going to go ahead and find you topics that are trending, that people are looking for, that you can create a course around. So let's go with developing AI adaptation strategy for small businesses that you can sell to consultants as a course. Next step, AI is now going to create and recommend you chapters that you can add in the course. So you can add multiple chapters as you like, or you can click on plus and create your own chapter. Next, here what you can do is you can add content on these chapters, and then AI will convert that content into a video for you. Now you can write your own content, create using AI. You can upload your own video and AI will convert that video into a new video for you, or you can record your own audio and convert that audio into a chapter. For our case, let's go with this one. Click on create using AI, and we're going to click on generate. Now once the content is created, what you can do is you can copy this and paste it here and click on next. Now it's going to ask you, do you want all AI images, like images created using AI, or you want stock images? So in this case, let's go with AI. Do you want a 9:16 or 16:9, which is like a YouTube video, or a TikTok, Instagram reel kind of a video? Do you want a talking head? So what you could do is you can upload your own picture, and then it's going to add your picture with head movement and lip sync on that video. So it looks like you are also in that video course, recording your own video, face video, and adding the whole course into it. And then you can also clone your own voice. So you upload a sample, or you record a sample, or you can use your own existing cloned voice in the video if you want to do that. So I've already cloned my voice as Charlie, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to click on generate video. Now, as you can see, it's starting to generate video. In about a second, the video will be generated and we can start editing it. Now, as you can see, the slides have been generated and you can start editing or previewing the video right here. So all the video that you're seeing at the background, everything is AI generated. All the clips, all the content, talking head, everything is added. What you can do now is go ahead and modify the text, change the formatting, customize the background color, everything as you like. You can change the image. You can generate a new AI image if you don't like the one that's already added. You can change the media. You can add more images and pictures on top of it. You can change the voiceover. Again, you can record your own and clone your own voice. You can update your talking head if you want to use a different one. You can do that. You can add another picture. You can change the shape of the talking head from square to circle, from circle to square. You can change the position. You can move it around wherever you want it. You can make it square if you like it. You can make it larger. You can make it more larger, but small usually is really good. You can add a background video. You can add animation to all the elements. You can move the text around as you like it. You can add transitions between multiple slides. You can add your own logo watermark on all the videos so nobody can copy it. And then you can control the volume of the voiceover versus volume of the background music. Then you can also add a call to action, which is just a website or text name that will show up on the video, and you can change the location where you want it to show up as well. Then you can add a credit which is an intro slide and outro slide, like a logo animation of your own company or of your own brand or whatever you like. You can preview the video just like this, or once you're done with it, you can start rendering the video. Now, as you can see, it's going to start rendering it, downloading resources and everything. So it's super easy to create a course here. You can create multiple chapters, you can create 10, 15 different, and then all the courses that you have created, you see them all here. Now, once a course is created, what you want to do next is want to create a VSL, a video sales letter, or a promotion video for it. So to do that, you click on generate video, and AI promo is the name of the video that we're going to use. Now we have two options. You can create the promo video using the course content or from a custom input, right? So in this case, we just want AI to take everything that it has learned from the course it has created and then create a video for us. So this was the AI course that we created. We go next. AI will take and learn everything from this course and then create a sales script, a promotional video for you. The script is ready for you. All you have to do next is click on generate, and then AI will start generating the video for you, adding slides, voiceover, talking head, everything that you want to do it, and then your promotion video will be ready and you can download it. So the promotion video customization is practically the same as the customization on the course video that I just showed you. Next step is creating a quiz. So you can give an interactive quiz to your students, charge more for it, and you can create multiple different quizzes. So you can create one new quiz for the course every day or every week and give it to your students. So we're gonna give it a name. Next, we're gonna have AI learn everything from our course and create a quiz about that course. Next up, all the questions are here. AI has generated everything for you. You can pick all the chapters that you want to include in the quiz, and then we go next. Now we're going to make sure we want the quiz to be easy, medium, or hard. Let's go for hard. You can pick how many questions you want. So let's say if you want 5 questions, you can set how much time you want the quiz to be. So let's make it 20 minutes long quiz. And then you can collect first name, last name, email, gender, age, everything. And then you can save all that information in an autoresponder that you can connect from the integration option over here. Now in our case, we'll skip the autoresponder, click next, and now your course is ready. You can preview it. You can preview it in the desktop view. This is how it will look. And then you can preview it in the mobile. This is how it will look. You can see all the questions here. And then you can rearrange these questions as well. If you want to move some questions up and down, you can do that. And as you can see right over here, your quiz URL is ready. You can copy this and then you can open it in a browser and you can see the quiz right over here. Now, all the questions when your students answer, you can see all the answers input on the participants tab and collect all that information. Next step is creating a sales page, a landing page for your quiz. So you go to the landing page, click on create new landing page, give it a name, AI sales page. That will help you sell this quiz. Now, you can create using content extraction, which is where AI will analyze course data and extract key elements to create the course for you. Or you could use a pre-filled section, so where a landing page builder automatically fills in relevant information based on a prompt that you give. In our case, again, we want AI to learn everything from our course and then write a sales page and create a landing page for us. We're going to do that. First option, click next. Now, here's the course that we're going to select, AI courses. We're going to click next. And then you can pick from multiple templates. You'll have about 10 templates to pick from. You can preview these templates. This is how it will look. This is how the content and everything would be. And then you can click on select and click next. And that's all you have to do. And the AI will start generating the landing page for you. And then you can copy that URL, open it, add your own domain or subdomain. You can add it as a sub CNAME domain, and then you can have your own. And as you can see, it's like super quickly created. And then next up, you can integrate all of these, including your autoresponder, and we support all the autoresponders out there. So that's how you go ahead and create a quiz in less than 5 minutes, create a course in less than 5 minutes, create a promo video in less than 5 minutes. And if you combine all of this in 20 minutes, you have a full business ready with CourseReel AI Max that you can start promoting, start selling, and start profiting from. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.